My name is Kiranpreet Kaur and I am from Makkar Isles. Uh, After a great success of these videos, maps in less than 10 sentences, bar chart in less than 10 sentences, pie chart in less than 10 sentences, line graph in less than 10 sentences, advantages, disadvantages essays in less than 15 sentences, and discuss essay in 15 sentences. This is the latest which I have come up with, and today I'm going to discuss the discuss essay that is seen in the IELTS writing test in 15 sentences. So let's see how to go about a discuss essay in 15 sentences. So I've taken a sample question which has been seen in the past exams. Some people think that the government should strictly control the supply of fresh water as the resources are limited, while others think we can use as much water as we want. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. सो इसमें टॉपिक है कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं गवर्नमेंट को ना स्ट्रिक्टली कंट्रोल करना चाहिए फ्रेश वाटर की सप्लाई को, क्योंकि उसके रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड हैं, क्योंकि फ्रेश वाटर बहुत कम है। पर बाकी लोग कहते हैं कि हमें पूरी आज़ादी, हम जितना मर्ज़ी पानी यूज़ करें या उड़ाएं, जो मर्ज़ी करें। डिस्कस करनी है बोथ साइड्स और अपना ओपिनियन देना है। अब डिस्कस ऐसे में तीन चीज़ें पूछी जाती हैं। देर आर थ्री थिंग्स दैट आर आस्क्ड टू द स्टूडेंट्स। द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकेंड आर डिस्कसिंग द टू साइड्स. The third is your opinion. Thus, we divide this essay into three body paragraphs. First body paragraph, first side, strict control on the supply of water. Second body paragraph, second side, no control on water usage. Third body paragraph, your own opinion. In case of your opinion, you have three options. Now, here, firstly, three things are asked, and we make three paragraphs based on those. Then, as far as your opinion is concerned, again, you have three options. First option is that we can agree with the first point of view. In other words, we believe in strict control of water. Second option is we can agree with the second point of view. In other words, we are against any control on the water. Third option is we can have different viewpoint altogether. For example, we believe there should be a control on the water supply, but not a strict control. So this is just one example. Your opinion can be something else too, just to give you an example. So you have to make three body paragraphs in the discuss essay, and then your opinion can be either of these three opinions. That is, you may go with the first side, you may go with the second side, or you may have a different viewpoint altogether. Now, writing the introduction. Introduction is 2 sentences. Total essay is 15 sentences. The first sentence in the introduction is paraphrasing the question statement. Some people think that the government should strictly control the supply of fresh water as the resources are limited, while others think we can use as much water as we want. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Now here, while paraphrasing, because the question statement is in the active, so I have made it in the passive. It is believed by some that there should be strict regulations on the use of fresh water, while others hold the opinion that individuals should have complete freedom on water use. So this is just paraphrasing. You can see it means the same thing what is written on the top, the question. It is just doing a little bit of wordplay and paraphrasing it. It should mean the same. Paraphrasing means different words but same meaning. Step 2 is the second sentence in the introduction, and that is your opinion. There are two approaches, approach A and approach B. Approach A is agree with one of the views. Before writing this, write the points for the two sides. So here, before writing the second sentence of the introduction, you should know how many points you have from side 1 for side 1 and how many points you had for side 2. Okay, so why strict control should be there? You can just think of ideas. Fresh water is scarce, fresh water come hai, scarce. Already many countries are facing water shortage. It is the only way to ensure that there is enough water for future generations. Reason 2, it would control the waste of water. If there is strict control, there would be less wastage of water. People would use it more wisely. Reason 3 is that water is a basic necessity and the government's duty is to provide fresh water to everyone. Only possible if the government regulates its use. So these are the 3 points I have for the why there should be strict control. Okay, then why there should be no control. Let's think of points for that. Reason one is that strict regulation has negative consequences. uh, just think how it can be negative. There can be corruption. Rich people might bribe water officials. Illegal water connections can be given. Reason two is people might procure water from unregulated or contaminated sources. So that may cause disease. So my points are more for the first side. I'll agree with the first side. Now, when you scratch your brains and think of ideas, then you decide whether you will go with the first side or with the second side. So now you have to write the second sentence based on your opinion. If you can paraphrase the first side, you can say, I strongly support a strictly controlled water supply as it is a need of the hour. So you can say, after writing the first sentence of the introduction, this will become your second sentence. Or if you cannot paraphrase, you can write, in this essay, I will discuss both perspectives, but I agree with the former side, or you can say, but I agree with the latter side. That is your choice. So this either of these two sentences you will put in your introduction as the second sentence. Full introduction would become this with the sentence 1 and this with the sentence 2, okay, which we have done already. Now step 3 is based on the approach B, that if you don't completely agree with the first or the second side, you have to think for points for a different opinion. So you must think for points for that. Approach B, different opinion. For example, no strict control but some level of control. So reason for no strict control is that strict control is practically impossible. तो स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल करना प्रैक्टिकली इम्पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि पानी अब घर के अंदर कोई अगर नल खुला छोड़े रखते हैं और बहुत पानी वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट कहाँ से आके देखेगी कि यहाँ वेस्टेज हो रही है या किचन में वेस्टेज हो रही है या कुछ भी हो रहा है. तो स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल प्रैक्टिकली इम्पॉसिबल है. और दूसरा है कि रीज़न टू है कि कुछ अगर थोड़ा सा लेवल हुआ कंट्रोल का तो वो बेनिफिशियल होएगा. सो these are the two reasons why you are saying that strict control नहीं है पर some level of control अच्छा है. तो क्रिएट अवेयरनेस, ये और आप इश्यूज दे सकते हो, गवर्नमेंट को एक सजेशंस दे सकते हो कि इम्पोर्टेंस बताओ, अवेयरनेस इसकी पैदा करो ताकि लोग वैसे ही पानी ठीक से यूज़ करें. एनकरेज पीपल टू टेक इनिशिएटिव्स टू स्टोर और हार्वेस्ट रेन वाटर. बी मोर जुडिशियस इन द यूजेज ऑफ वाटर. Okay, so now you have to write the second sentence based on your opinion. You can say, I don't believe tight regulation is practical or possible, but there should be some level of control on water supply and use. Now you are against very tight control, but you are also for some control. So this is the full introduction based with the second approach. So these are the two sentences. Now we come to the body paragraphs. Body paragraphs, we have 3, and each body paragraph will have 4 sentences. Okay, so including the introduction, it will be 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That will be 14 sentences, and then 1 sentence conclusion. It will be a 15 sentence essay overall. Okay. So body paragraph 1, sentence 3 to 6. In any approach A or B, the first body paragraph is the side 1. So step 1, write why some people support first side. Please don't use the word I, the main reason I support this side, because it is not your view. You are putting the views of somebody else who say that. Okay. Then you have to clarify this is not your opinion, but the first side, this is the sentence 3, and sentence 4, 5, 6 are reasons and explanations. Okay. These you have to give in the sentence 4, 5, 6. We'll come to that soon. Okay, so now you'll write, there are 2 main reasons why some people believe that government should strictly control the usage of water. This is the first sentence, or you can say the third sentence of the essay, first sentence of the first body paragraph. Okay, 2 कारण है क्यों कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट को स्ट्रिक्टली कंट्रोल करना चाहिए वाटर यूजेज को. ये हो गया सेंटेंस 3. द मेन रीज़न इज़ दैट, मेन कारण क्या है कि फ्रेश वाटर इज़ ए स्केर्स एंड ऑलरेडी इज स्केर्स. द फ्रेश वाटर इज स्केर्स, फ्रेश वाटर बहुत कम है, एंड ऑलरेडी मैनी कंट्रीज आर फेसिंग अ सीवियर वाटर शॉर्टेज. कंट्रोलिंग सप्लाई ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर इज़ द ओनली वे टू इंश्योर that there is adequate water for everyone and there is water left for our future generations. तो सबसे पहला कारण क्या है कि जो फ्रेश वाटर है वो कम है, और इसकी कंट्रोल इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हमें ये देखना है, गवर्नमेंट को ये देखना है कि एडिक्वेट वाटर सबके लिए हो और फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स के लिए भी पानी हम बचा पाएँ. Another result of controlling fresh water supply would be that if it would coerce people to use it more wisely and reduce its wastage. तो अगर हम ज़्यादा कंट्रोल होएगा फ्रेश वाटर के यूज़ पे, तो लोग मजबूर होएंगे, फोर्स होएंगे to use water wisely and reduce its wastage. I hope that's clear. This is body paragraph 1. Okay, now we come to body paragraph 2. This is why some people support the second side. Don't use I because it is not your view. Okay, so first right. On the other hand, those who believe that there should be no restrictions on water give the following reasons. उनके reasons देखो. Firstly, they believe that rather than benefiting everyone, strict control would have negative consequences. अब कंट्रोल किसके लिए करना है कि सबको फ़ायदा होए, पर वो कहते हैं कि फ़ायदा तो होना नहीं, इसके नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंस हो जाएंगे. और वो क्या है? वो ये हैं कि रिच माइट ट्राई टू ब्राइब ऑफिशियल्स टू गेट इलीगल वाटर कनेक्शंस इंस्टॉल. तो रिच है जो वाटर ऑफिशियल्स को ब्राइब करके एक इलीगल वाटर कनेक्शन ले सकते हैं, इंस्टॉल करा सकते हैं. सेकेंडली, पीपल माइट बी फोर्स टू प्रोक्योर वाटर फ्रॉम अनरेगुलेटेड और कंटामिनेटेड सोर्सेज विच मे लीड टू डिजीज़ एंड अदर प्रॉब्लम्स. तो पहला कारण ये है कि जो रिच है वो ब्राइब करके एक्स्ट्रा कनेक्शंस ले लेंगे और फिर उनकी प्रॉब्लम तो ठीक है, पर पुअर को फिर भी नहीं मिलेगा पानी. तो दूसरी जो इसकी प्रॉब्लम है वो ये है कि अगर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल हुआ तो लोग अनरेगुलेटेड कंटेमिनेटेड सोर्सेज से वाटर लेने को मजबूर हो जाएंगे और उससे बहुत बीमारियां फैलेंगी. ठीक है. नाउ वी कम टू द बॉडी पैराग्राफ 3, sentence 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now you have to see which side you are on, and according to that you have to make your 4 sentences. Approach A, it would be the first view. Approach B, it would be the different viewpoint. So step 1, write your viewpoint, that is sentence 11. Okay, and then give reasons, sentence 12, 13 and 14 depending on the approach. Write I or in my opinion to show that it is your opinion. आपको याद है मैंने पहले 2 पैराज में आपको स्ट्रिक्टली मना करा कि I मत यूज़ करना. I का मतलब होगा I buy things, I do that, I वो है. पर I में I का ये भी मतलब होता है ऊपर वाले पैरों में कि ये मेरा ओपिनियन है, जो कि नहीं है. वो 2 सेट्स ऑफ पीपल का ओपिनियन है. पर यहाँ पे इस पैरे में I का, क्योंकि ये I आपने इसलिए डालना है क्योंकि अब ये आपका ओपिनियन है, इसको पढ़ के एग्जामिनर को पता चल जाएगा नाउ दिस इज़ योर व्यू. I am strongly in favor of government controlling and regulating water supply, as water is a basic necessity. Human beings cannot survive without water, and water is also one of the most important resources in agriculture and industries. तो उसी के बेस पे मैंने देना है कि मैंने एक उसमें गई हूँ ना कि स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, तो उसके हिसाब से मेरा ये पैरा बन गया है. और फिर देयरफॉर इट इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू प्रोवाइड फ्रेश वाटर टू एवरीवन. दिस इन टर्न कैन बी इंश्योर्ड इफ़ द गवर्नमेंट कीप्स टाइट कंट्रोल ऑन वाटर यूजेज. ठीक है, ये सभी हो सकता है अगर टाइट कंट्रोल. ये हो गया थर्ड बॉडी पैराग्राफ ऑफ विद अप्रोच ए. अब अप्रोच बी के साथ देखो. I believe that there should be some level of government control on water use, but I also recognize that keeping tight control on the water is impossible as it is present everywhere. Some level of control would definitely be beneficial as it would create more awareness about the severity of increasing water scarcity. It might also encourage people to take positive initiatives to save water. For example, rationing of water in some Indian cities has led to people installing rainwater harvesting system at homes. अब क्या है कि ये मेरा व्यू है कि क्यों स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल होना चाहिए. तो अप्रोच बी है कि सम कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, पर साथ में मैंने ये भी लिख दिया है कि टाइट कंट्रोल करना प्रैक्टिकल या पॉसिबल नहीं है, इम्पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि पानी हर जगह यूज़ हो रहा है, घरों के अंदर, घरों के बाहर, इंडस्ट्रीज़ में बाहर. तो कहाँ से गवर्नमेंट हर जगह पहुँच के रेगुलेट कर पाएगी. ठीक है. सो पर थोड़े रेगुलेशन का ये फ़ायदा होगा, थोड़े रेगुलेशन के साथ अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगी और इसकी जो इंक्रीजिंग वाटर स्केर्सिटी है इसकी सिवेरिटी पता चलेगी और पीपल जो है एनकरेज हो जाएंगे टू टेक पॉजिटिव इनिशिएटिव्स टू सेव वाटर. फॉर एग्जांपल राशनिंग ऑफ वाटर्स कुछ सिटीज़ में जो राशन हुआ है कि इतने इतने समय में ही पानी आएगा, उससे लोगों ने क्या करा है कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम्स कईयों ने अपने घरों में लगवा लिए हैं और वो अपनी मर्ज़ी से लगवाए हैं. उसका कोई जैसे कुछ सिटीज़ में तो रूल है कि लगवाना ही लगवाना है, पर जहाँ नहीं है वहाँ भी लोगों ने लगवाए हैं. सो बिकॉज दे हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट वाटर इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स. Conclusion, one sentence. Conclusion is nothing but a repetition of your opinion. Write your opinion again. Step 1. In conclusion, I believe there's a strong level of control on water supply. That a strong level of control on water supply is no more an option but a necessity. ये हो गया सेंटेंस 15. अगर आप अप्रोच बी के साथ गए हो फिर ये कंक्लूजन लिखो. इन कंक्लूजन आई बिलीव that although there should be government control on water supply, water cannot be tightly regulated. So this is the approach B, conclusion, one sentence. So now I've written the whole essay with approach A and the whole essay with approach B. With approach A it is 288 words and with approach B is 313 words, which is pretty good, pretty okay. Okay, so I hope आपको discuss essay इसको सुन के समझ आ गया होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग पेशेंटली एंड कीप कमिंग बैक टू द यूट्यूब चैनल एंड द वेबसाइट फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज़ and I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Thank you very much once again.